व्यासो नैगमचर्चया मृदुगिरा वल्मीकजन्मा मुनिः वैराग्ये शुक एव भक्तिविषये प्रह्लाद एव स्वयं ब्रह्मा नारदैव च प्रतिमयोः संगीतसाहित्ययोः यो रामामृतपान निर्जितशिवः यो रामामृतपान निर्जितशिवः तं त्यागराजं भजे त्यागराजं भजे त्यागराजं भजे 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 त्यागराजं भजे Vyasa in Vedic learning, Valmiki in his poetic language, Shuka in his detachment, Prahlada in his devotion, Brahma and Narada in Sahitya and Sangita, and he who reviles Shiva in drinking the nectar of Ramanama, I salute that Tyagaraja. In the history of Carnatic music, Tyagaraja is always remembered as Vagyakara Sarvabhauma. A day will not pass without singing or listening to his kritis. He was very prolific and highly influential in the development of Carnatic music. Tyagaraja composed thousands of kritis, most of them in Telugu language and in praise of Lord Rama, many of which are popular today. He has composed Utsav Sampradaya kritis, Divyanama Sankirtanas, Kshetra kritis, and the most famous, his magnum opus creation, the Ghanaraga Pancharatna kritis. Ratna means a gem and Pancha is 5. Pancharatna kritis are thus the 5 gems of musical compositions. These kritis are highly scholastic from the angle of musical experience, entertainment, the effect on those who study the meaning of the kritis. There's nothing which matches the composer's scholastic. Let's travel through all these kritis and enjoy the musical feast. Jagadananda Karaka, Jai Janaki Prananayaka. This is the first Pancharatna Kriti which is set in Nata Raga and Aditala. In this Kriti, Tyagaraja praises Ramachandra, one of the incarnations of Lord Vishnu. He eulogizes Rama as one who is the cause of all bliss in the universe. This Kriti gives us a brief version of Ramayana itself, and this is the only Pancharatna Kriti which is set in the Sanskrit language, while the other 4 are in Telugu. Jaya Janaki Prananayaka. Sita says, Rama is the sun and she is like the rays of that sun. She implies that without the sun, there can be no rays. In other words, without one, the other cannot exist. Jaya means victory to Janaki. The word Sakala means everything in the universe, and it occurs at the end of Anupallavi, which can be clubbed with the Jagadananda Karaka. Sakala meaning everything in the universe, Ananda signifies joy, and Karaka is the one who causes this joy. Thus the meaning is one who brings joy to all living beings in all the worlds. If this is the lyrical beauty of the composition, another interesting technicality of this composition is that the composer doesn't use Shatshruti Daivata in this composition, because Shatshruti Daivata denotes Bhibhatsa or fear. Since the Kriti itself is in a joyous mood, this Swara is against the general mood of the song. Therefore, the composer doesn't use Shatshruti Daivata in this composition. Now let's hear Jagadananda Karaka by our group.